Good morning, dear student. Today we will read a new chapter of English grammar, chapter number 10. The chapter name is articles a and the. Okay, you already learn about where we will put a and where we will put an. Okay, in the lower class, also in the class 1, in the UKG also you learn about a n. Okay, today we will know that a n and the is also called vowels. Okay, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. The 5 letters a, e, I, o, u are vowels. Okay, you already know that we have 26 alphabets in English, and there are 5 letters that we called it vowels: a, e, I, o, u. They can be spoken alone. The 21 letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z are consonant. Okay, means except A, E, I, O, U, whatever the left alphabets are called consonant. They need the help of vowels to be spoken. Okay, they need the help means without the help of vowels the consonant can't be spoken. Okay, so all the vowels and consonant are helping each and other. We put a before words beginning with a consonant or consonant sound. Okay, we put a when before a consonant or consonant sound word. A boy, a bird, a house, a girl, a toy, a banana, a pen, a dog, a flower. You can see in this whole pictures all the starting alphabets are consonant: B, B, H, G, A. There is no A, E, I, O, U. So before the consonant we put A. Okay, and before a consonant word or before a consonant sound word we put A. All these are common nouns in singular number. All these are common noun means generally noun is generally all the names are here. Okay, they stand for one. This is in singular number means only one number is here. They begin with a consonant, and all the singular noun are begin with a consonant. So that is why here we put A. We use an before the words beginning with a vowel or vowel sound. Okay, we use an, a and n, in front of or beginning with a vowel or a vowel sound. vowel के सामने या फिर vowel के sound का कोई भी word के सामने हम n use करते हैं. An apple, an umbrella, an egg, an igloo, an oyster, an engine. Okay, all the spellings are started with a vowel. That is why we put here n. All these are common nouns in singular number. This is all are common noun. General name is there. That is why it is common noun. They stand for one. They begin with a vowel. They stand for one. Okay, means one apple, one umbrella, one egg. That is why we put n. Okay, and they begin with vowel. That is why we are using n. Means what is the meaning of this? All these are stands for common noun and it is singular in number. It means that when a word, कोई भी word अगर one only one quantity का होगा, one number of, that is on that place we put a or n. Okay, means an apple we can write. Okay, but we have to write an apple. Okay, but एन एप्पल्स मीन्स बहुत सारे एप्पल्स अगर होंगे, सो ऑन दैट प्लेस वी कैन नॉट राइट एन एप्पल्स. ओके, on that place only we will write apples, not an apple. So a or n used in the place of singular noun. Okay, exercise A, filling the blanks with a or n. Okay, an ant, a boy, an igloo, an urn, an ice cream, a cake, a butterfly, a hat, an umbrella, a cat, an orange, and an elephant. Okay, you can see an urn, an elephant, an orange, an umbrella, an ice cream, an ant. These are all the vowels. And a boy, a cake, a cat, a butterfly, a hat. All these are consonant. Okay. Exercise B. put a or n in the following blanks. Okay, here also we have to put a or n, a in the place of consonant word or consonant sound word, or n in the place of vowel word or vowel sound word. An orange and an apple, a woman and a boy and a baby, an eye and a nose, an elbow, a year and a month, a cow and a buffalo, an ugly face, an iron box, an unhappy man, an insect, a husband and a wife, an interesting book, an uncle and an aunt, an aeroplane, a hen and an egg, an empty box, an old umbrella, an easy exercise. Okay, you can see all the place where the consonant are we put a, again all the place where vowels are we put n. Okay, then next topic, let us understand. The is used to point out the definite person, animal, place or thing. Okay, in this chapter, in article chapter, we will also learn about the. Okay, the used in where we will using the to have to point out something. Okay, point out करने के लिए हम the का use करते हैं to definite person, animal, place or thing. A boy and a girl were walking on the road. A boy and a girl were walking on the road. Where they are walking? On the road. We are point outing the road. हम रोड को point out कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे girl कौन है, boy कौन है, वो हमें नहीं जानना है, बट हमें रोड में कौन चल रहा है वो ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. वहाँ इस सेंटेंस में हमें वो जानना है. सो हम यहाँ पे किसके सामने में द लगा रहे हैं? रोड के सामने में. दैट इज़ वाई. द बॉय वॉज टॉल बट द गर्ल वॉज शॉर्ट. Okay, here comparison between the boy and the girl. Okay, so we are doing comparison. So in front of the boy there is the, in front of the girl there is the. Okay, the the girl and the boy are important and we are here point outing them. The girl and the boy are comparison. We are doing comparison. Okay, the boy carried a blue bag but the girl had a red bag. Okay, the boy what carried a blue bag but the girl had a red bag. Here also we are comparing both of them, that ये girl के पास में red bag है but boy के पास में blue bag है. Okay, so you understand, here we have to point out, if we have to point out something on that place we use the. The is used before unique things. The is also used in before a unique thing. Unique thing means different thing, not general thing. Okay, unique thing in the sense that the sun shines brightly in the sky. The sun and the sky, sun और sky unique thing है. Okay, these both are unique because sun के जैसा कुछ और नहीं है क्या? Means सन इज ओनली वन सन इन द होल यूनिवर्स. पूरे सारे यूनिवर्स में एक ही सन है, उसके अलावा और कोई दूसरा सन नहीं है. लाइक दैट स्काई, स्काई ओनली वी आर लिविंग इन, मीन्स हम एक ही स्काई को देख रहे हैं, स्काई के जैसा और डिफरेंट कोई और स्काई नहीं है. सो दैट इज वाई इट इज़ नॉट, इट इज़ यूनिक, इट इज़ नॉट जनरल थिंग. मीन्स ए बॉय एंड ए गर्ल इज जनरल. ओके, कोई भी बॉय, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बॉय है, बहुत सारे गर्ल्स है, बहुत सारे वुमेन्स है, बहुत सारे थिंग्स है, बट सन एक ही है, यूनिक है सबसे. सो दैट इज वाई वी पुट इन फ्रंट ऑफ सन द. Then the moon shines at the night. Like this also, moon is only one moon. Okay, in the whole world one moon is only there. So the moon. The stars twinkle in the sky. The stars and sky are unique things. So in front of star and sky we use the. The earth moves around the sun. Here also earth is also unique thing. It is not सेम, मीन्स अर्थ बस एक ही है होल यूनिवर्स में, हर जगह बस एक ही अर्थ है जिसमें हम लिव करते हैं. सो अर्थ के अलावा और कुछ भी नहीं है. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ यूनिक थिंग एंड डिफरेंट थिंग. सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ यूनिक थिंग वी यूज द. The is also used before the names of rivers, mountains, holy books and historical buildings. The is also used in front of rivers, कोई भी रिवर के नेम के सामने में, कोई भी माउंटेन के नेम के सामने में, होली बुक्स, ओके, होली बुक्स के नेम के सामने में, एंड हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट, हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग्स, कोई भी बिल्डिंग्स होंगे हिस्टोरिकल, उसके सामने में भी द यूज़ हम करते हैं. Some examples are here. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. So in front of Taj Mahal we use the Taj Mahal is a historical building, means ये बहुत बहुत पहले बना हुआ है ताजमहल, और ये हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग है, हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है ये बिल्डिंग. सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ ताजमहल वी यूज द. दिल्ली इज लोकेटेड ऑन द यमुना. यमुना इज अ रिवर नेम. सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ यमुना रिवर नेम वी यूज द. The Ramayana is an epic. Ramayana is a holy book. So in front of Ramayana we use the. The Himalayas are the largest, highest mountains. So Himalayas is a mountain name. So in front of mountain name we use the. Are the highest mountains, because here we use the, because it is mountain, here written is mountain. Okay, so that is why we use the. So did you understand? The is used to point out definite person, animal, place or thing. Then the is used before unique thing, and the is used also in front of river name, mountain name, holy book name and historical building name. Okay, exercise C, put a, an or the. Okay, here we have to put a, an and the. I have an umbrella in my bag. The sun rises in the east. I saw an old beggar riding on an ass. The Bible is a holy book. He came here a month ago. I met an old woman in the street. The Red Fort is a beautiful building. She ate an egg, an orange, and an ice cream. Okay, here in front of all the vowels we use an. Okay, in front of all the consonant we use a, and in front of some unique nouns, unique things we use the. Like the sun we use. With sun, in front of sun we use the. In front of east we use the. East is the direction, and we here point out east. Okay, that is why in the place of, in the before east we use the. Red Fort is an historical building. Okay, Bible is a holy book. Street, here we are point outing street, that is why we use the. Okay, fun time. Read the story and put suitable articles in the blanks. We have to put articles. Articles means a, an and the. We have to put it here. Rupa has a younger brother Rohan. They lived in a beautiful house. Their house has a swimming pool, a gym and a beautiful garden. They have an Alsatian dog called Caesar. He is a very big dog. Rupa and Rohan swim in the evening every day. This is a paragraph. We use a in front of consonant and n in front of an r, a vowel. And Rohan swims in the evening every day. Here we point outing evening, that is why we use the here. Okay, so with this you understand that a, an and the, we also called it article. And in this chapter you understand where we have to put a and an and the. Okay, thank you.